Hey everybody, Adam and Norm here in my cave. In every Jedi's education, the receiving of their first saber is a seminal moment.
It's true, and well, you know, Adam, for this saber, you don't receive it. You got to take it.
You gotta take it. That's right. That's what makes this saber unique. This is in here is the Darksaber.
Yes, it's a replica Darksaber from our friends at SaberBay. They're the ones who supplied you with the core for your lightsaber build.
Oh, right. Amazing, amazing. I had lots of fun with that, and we've known about this for a few weeks now.
Well, months. It's been, I think, in development. There's an RPF thread, of course, as there is. They've been working on this for a long time. They're finally ready to get this out to interested parties, and we're an interested party.
This is one of my favorite kinds of runs, because when you do a project run like this and you're doing it via the RPF, it can take anywhere from like a few months to a couple of years or more. And if you're in constant communication with the people who have invested, there's not an issue with taking a long time. But what really happens in that crucible is that the RPF membership just helps you crawl over every single detail. So I know, like with Manny's crossbow and with something like this, I know when I receive it, like every detail has been thought over, and if something doesn't match a piece of reference I have, there's a reason for it, and someone has discussed it. So I really love these kind of builds.
Yeah, even though maybe the first run of this, it's like in their minds, V4, V5, V6, they've already iterated with all the tiny details.
Yes!
And you know, the saber building community, they want to infuse it with as much tech as possible.
Yeah. What's really funny is when that first Kyber Crystal Luke reveal saber came out, I paid like real money for the first one of those. And I thought, this is like such a unicorn. And now this is part of so many people's regular working saber builds for their cosplay. It's spectacular how the lower threshold of electronics and miniaturization has made that all super possible.
And I'm very curious how that's going to be implemented in a blade that's not a cylinder.
I know.
Yeah.
I'm really curious.
All right, let's break this open. Yes. Okay. This is from Justin Marshall, who's been our contact at SaberBay.
Okay, it's an honor to collaborate with you. I've been following the site and channel since day one. The Tested Live event in the Castro was one of the last things we did before moving from the East Bay to Portland. That's a while back.
Yes.
Thank you for your patience. That's everything, right?
Yep, and the rest are instructions. So there'll be some light assembly. I've done a little bit of prep, a little bit of 3D printing, but why don't we break open the box?
Okay, there's a...
All right, what do we got here? So before we, let's see. There's some stand stuff we're going to be assembling together.
Excellent.
I got lights and electronics here. Adam, here's a blade.
Whoa. Ooh.
I think that might be it. Okay. So already you can see there's going to be some, because
there's some decal work, right?
Darksaber, as it appears not only in the animated show but in The Mandalorian, it's like a CG effect, right? You know, it's glows black.
Right.
So how do you get that glowing black effect with some type of illumination? Oh.
Okay. It looks like they've got some vinyl decals.
Yep.
That get carefully applied.
Yeah.
And there's two kinds. Oh, look, there's crackle finish and regular finish. The plain black one fits better. The crackle leaves a tiny gap near the emitter. Let's go with plain black.
Let's go with plain black.
I tend to not want graphical wear and tear.
Before we apply those, let's take a look at the actual hilt.
Finish the hilt greebly attachment as mentioned. Nice box, by the way. Like, that's non-trivial. Oh, dude, these parts are beautiful. Oh, wow.
Oh, man. So you can tell already pretty complex in terms of the layering of this. This is machined. Right?
This is machined? I think you're right. I think it's CNC machined. My God. The button's already attached. These are light pipes, I guess?
Yes. And there's typically a plug for the emitter for that really bright Neopixel LED. There's only some minor assembly what to do. So I'm going to bring up the PDF they have, and there's a bunch of greebly parts that we'll have to glue in. I did send some 3D printed parts to our Form 4 resin printer. So
you printed these
this morning. So
fantastic.
Here we have our Kyber crystal.
Oh, that's everything matters about that one.
And I got some I got a backup just in case.
Clear stuff, man. Clear stuff is non-trivial, and this is the new Form 4, yeah?
Yeah. That printed all these parts printed in 1 hour. Very quick.
That's amazing.
Yeah. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of break everything out, make sure we have all the pieces. I will get the instruction PDF out, and we'll just go step by step and finish all the greebly details and get our battery charged so we can light it up.
Excellent. Yeah, let's do it. All right. This, you really want to never be touching the actual sticker if you can avoid it. That's where it will peel. That's where it will not adhere well. And so doing this, allowing this to peel off, is accepted best practice.
Look at this transition right here.
It's really nicely done. I also appreciate that I believe that what they've got here is...
That's the plug.
Yeah, that's the plug that allows you to troop with this,
yes.
but this is what you get to... Yeah, that's really cool.
Yep.
So that plug comes out and that comes back in. Amazing.
I think they're a little bit too wide, right?
Oh, it's this meaning, because... It looks like, okay, it looks like we have to pull this to put these in. Yes, we do. They can't fit past it, so we gotta pull this guy first.
That might be using an Allen key.
Did they send an Allen key set? They did. I carried it around with me for days and days.
Mine, this one goes in.
They're all ready.
They're ready.
But they can't stay in while we're
Got it. Okay. And then we have some greeblies on the pommel. So there's a vented and a display one.
Ah, I like the vented.
I like the vented as well.
All right, so then this guy goes in there.
So these, I believe, are just super glued on.
Oh, nice. That's a real press fit.
Yeah. You want to dab a glue?
Unnecessary.
Yeah, dab a glue.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah, that was it.
These are called the Suba greeblies.
Suba greeblies. Yeah, it looks like there's one on each side. I'm just going to see if that... Yeah.
Did it really just pop in?
Yeah, it was perfect. Yeah, their press fits are amazing.
I think they're slightly oversized, and because the material has it's a little bit soft.
Well, it's been powder coated, so yeah, it's got a little bit of... All right, so that one press fit in nicely. I'm going to give it a tiny drop of glue.
Yep. Let's get the kyber crystal on the side, so we want to pop it open and get the battery in there.
Ah, okay. There we go.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Wow.
Whoa.
That is so unnecessary and so beautiful. That is really...
And that's where the crystal would live.
Inside there.
Here. Exactly.
Dude, I mean, yeah.
Here, let me pop this out. Look at this piece. Is this...
3D printed metal?
Yeah, that's what it feels like. It's metal.
Wow. Wow. I really appreciate the dedication to detail on that front. It totally feels Star Wars canon.
Well, look at the engineering.
It's really, yeah.
To have it show on both sides, and then have it fit the electronics here with lights and the button controls and the switch. Already a battery. Okay, well, let's get
they've dressed the battery.
I know.
They've dressed the battery to look Empire correct.
And look, perfect fit for a speaker right here.
And so, yeah, it's only one screw. That screw pulls this whole thing out, and this is
that's the switch.
Magnet.
Magnets for the switch.
That's brilliant. That right there. I'm really excited about this kind of. This feels like innovative manufacturing from the hobby group, right? But this is high level manufacturing. So exciting.
Okay.
So this is the kyber crystal. Oh.
go in here. Okay, and did it snap in?
Yeah, it did. And so then that goes in here.
Oh my goodness. Should we power it on?
Yeah. Oh, right.
Copyright Disney. Oh, you see the light?
I mean,
I'm charmed.
when I say that I am looking for an experience from my props, this is a prop delivering one hell of an experience. What? Wait a second. Hold on. You got to see this. Here we go.
Custom firmware.
Custom firmware. I feel very well taken care of. Okay. So then we put this back on.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, right. Switch comes off, goes on, goes in. Then, will you hold that upright? Okay, so this comes in like this. Right? Yes. Am I right? Wait.
I believe you are.
Yes. Yeah. This is correct.
Yeah.
Okay, and so then these. Oh, right.
Okay. Yeah. Gotta put those. Yes.
So let's 1, 2. Oh. 3, 4. Okay, and then these are all fine. These are now nice and tight, so that's great.
2 screws to lock it in, and then the set screw to tighten.
Ooh.
Whoa, watch out. Watch your fingers.
We didn't see anything. Nothing happened. So we have greeblies, we have greeblies, we have greeblies, we have greeblies, we have light pipes, we have Darksaber. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's turn this puppy on.
Woo!
Okay, wait.
Yeah, accelerometers. Now remember, there's play action here because you can press the buttons and you're deflecting. Ooh. You're deflecting the laser. Why not? You got RGB. Was it the accelerometer light changed color? You're twisting while.
It is twisting. Yeah, there's the red.
It's the twisting. Let's go white. Let's go for the full classic. There we go. Wow.
That's beautiful. Please, please.
Oh. Heavy as the hand that rules Mandalore. The vibration of the speaker gives it that feeling, that heft. You can
it's a really nice.
And then, of course, wow. Oh, it feels good.
It really does feel good, and it feels robust. Oh yeah, I can do this. There you go. Talk about delivering a full experience. Metal 3D printing, little liquid crystal display in there, light pipes. That is a lot of product design for a non-mass market product. Gorgeous. Yeah.
Detection, yeah.
Swords making sounds when you hit them, man, that would have made my childhood so much better.
Let's turn off the lights and get some beauty shots.
Yes!
But this is an incredible thing. These kits are going to be available on SaberBay. We'll have links so we can find them
in the description.
Yes. Thank you so much, Justin and team. Everyone who collaborated to work on this. It's not a single person. This is a community coming together for an incredible prop replica. And like you said, an experience that delivers exactly what you had in your head when you saw the Darksaber on screen.
100%. Stellar work, everyone. And what an amazing pair. The blade and non-blade experiences are both like top-notch.
Oh, incredible.
All right.
I control Mandalore. No, you control Mandalore. No, I control Mandalore.
Oh. Thank you for watching that video. If you're anything like me, you were watching it wondering, Adam, how can I spend more time with my friends in the outdoors under improvisatory and impromptu conditions? And I would counsel you to go to adamsavage.com and buy yourself one of my bedrolls, which will allow you plenty of dry yet comfortable socializing on grass or any other place you find yourself. I've had one of these in the trunk of my car for 25 years. Okay, I haven't been making these for 25 years. It was somebody else's until I made my own. Okay, adamsavage.com. I'll see you there.